From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0, YouTube's bison-centric barbecue and grilling channel, but we do other things sometimes as well. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different. I think this is a recipe that I did many years ago. Had a different name. I think I called it something like Hawaii-tized or Hawaii-tized burger recipe or something like that. It's a goofy name. It's probably a goofy video, but we're changing it up. The name and a few ingredients. We're going to call this the Catalina Burger, and you'll see why. And I don't want to waste any time. We got to go inside, do some prep. So I said, let's go in there and do that right now. So stick around. This is going to be really good. Oh, by the way, everything began with not one, but two single flames. And we've got better fire starting stuff out here this time. Tumbleweeds, man. And somewhere between a dice and a mince, we're going to do some cold cuts and add them to the burgers. We've got ham, and we will have turkey. We're going to mince this up really fine. It's going to be good. This is a pound of 85-15 grass-fed ground beef. Beef? Beef, Mr. Smoky Goodness guy. Where's the bison? Another pound. Just gonna bust it up a little bit. Gonna make enough here for an army. Have some pepper in this. Not a lot, just enough for interesting flavor. We're going to add a little bit of Catalina to the mix here. Not a lot. We're just going to put just about that dash, just like that, a little bit of flavor. There will be more Catalina later. This is going to be tedious, so I'm going to pause for a little while. Voila! All right, finally, these coals have come up to temperature. Boing, boing, boing. Looks like we'll be doing a dance out here. Boing, and boing. We will be back for the dance in just a moment. I could probably let that go a little longer. The heck. We know that the hottest side of the grill is over here, so yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. Just like that. That is I am in pain, and I'm not here to make noise because you're making a video, Mr. Smoky Goodness guy. Sort of noise from Mr. Doggo. Actually, I'm going to flip this guy around. Oh yeah, like I said, or like I mentioned, I think I mentioned, I don't know if I did or not. Been a long afternoon so far. Boy, that dog is in some pain or something. If these were bison burgers, I would be tempted to move them off already. I'd cook those to medium rare. But being this is beef, it's probably going to be medium well to well, because, you know, the less adventurous among us. I sure do wish I knew what was up with the dog over there. Doggy isn't just not having a good time. I'm sorry, Mr. Doggo. I'd like to help you. But I don't know what your problem is. I don't know why you're crying like that. Unless it's because you want one of these burgers and you know you can't have one because you're the neighbor's dog, not ours. That's not to say I'm not generous and I wouldn't give him a little bit, but is not one happy sounding pup, I'll tell you that. Alright, I'm gonna move you over here. Coals just aren't hot enough right there, so you're gonna go back over here. Oh yeah, sorry for the smoke getting on camera B over here. Alright, we'll be back. A few more minutes of searing has been accomplished. Oh, look at that. Look good or what? You know they do. So, you've all grilled burgers before. You know the deal here. I'm going to move them off. Indirect. A nice char sear on that one. That might be mine, or one of mine. All right. We've got another goodie coming up. A couple of goodies coming up. You've seen the cheese, but wait till you see what comes either before or after the cheese. You're going to love this. We'll be back. Hi, it's the Catalina Burger. It is going to be excellent. And I'm happy to bring it to you now. He talks to his reflection in the top of the grill. Okay, a few minutes has passed. Shut up, street racer, crotch rocket, whatever you are. And here's where we enter the marathon portion of our picks mission. Everything's going to go really fast now, so hold on, strap in, and enjoy the ride. We're going to start with pineapple. Grill it. 6 patties, 6 pineapples. It's going to happen fast. So once I get the 6th one on here, I'm probably going to have to flip number 1 over, right? Maybe not. It's been a long time since I've grilled pineapple. But has it been long enough, Mr. Smoky Goodness Guy? Well, maybe, maybe not. Looking good. They smell great. Well, you all know you've grilled pineapple before, I'm sure. Yes, that's what I'm looking for right there. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. That one can go a little bit more, but not much. Yeah, these are just about where I want them. So, on to the burgers. Whoops. There you go. Did I forget one? I certainly did. It's okay. Mr. Smoky Goodness Guy cannot count. Fortunately, I say fortunately, I always carry a spare set of pineapple slices for just such an occasion. Cook. Okay, this is where it gets good. It's been good from the beginning. We're gonna throw some cheese on top. There is a but wait, there's more moment coming. You know what it is, I think. But if you read the title of this video, you know what's coming. Pretty much done. Our coals are starting to die a little bit. We don't want to waste any of this cheese, so you look like you could use more. And you look like you could use more. All right. I'm gonna put a lid on this. Let that cheese get all melty schmelty, and we'll be right back. A few more minutes. Mission elapsed time. Look at that. It appears obvious that we have enough for 3 double burgers or 6 singles. I think we're going to go the 6 route. There's a lot going on there. So, onion buns. Kaboom, kaboom. Let's get these off before they burn. I seem to be really good at that today. All right. I'm going to get these burgers off. We're going to take everything inside and we're going to assemble ours in the house. So stick around. They are smelling good, but it's so windy out here that I do not want them cooling off anytime soon. So See ya inside. All right, we still have 2 more ingredients that we are going to use to make these burgers epic. Are these the top or the bottom? All right, top. Baby spinach. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. I wanted to use butter lettuce, but I guess it's either not in season or nobody in town has it. So spinach, baby spinach, has been washed. There's some good stuff. Really good stuff. Catalina, that's where this recipe gets its name. So, oh, man, it comes out pretty darn fast. But how does it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness Jr.?
Really good.
Really, Oh my God! Kaboom! You're definitely going to need a few napkins for this one. I'm thinking more than 2. Man! So what stands out? Besides everything?
Everything?
Well, the Catalina, the fact that this is 85/15 lean ground beef, which is kind of a surprise. It almost tastes like bison, to tell you the truth. The grilled pineapple works. Everything just works. I love it when a plan comes together, and you will too. So give this a try. We're eating. Got a lot to do. I got a lot of cleaning up to do, so I got a lot of editing to do. Stick around.